Hello viewers, my name is Ashwin Gupta, working as assistant professor in School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Dear friends, today we will discuss the topic project management information system. This topic is lecture number 32 of project management subject in MBA program. So, before starting the topic, we must understand about the MIS, information system, managing information system. We lots of time we know that informations are so much important for our daily life. Informations which we have, we can use for the different aspects. We can use that information for our various needs. So, we manage that information, and for that we have a particular system. So, MIS is a different aspects which is related to the IT, information technology, and this is their job to maintain the information or MIS. Through MIS we can get the various results according to us is a customized, we can find out the different combinations, we can find whatever we want from particular data, we can make it according to us. Now, implementation of MIS in project management, it is a project management information system. So, implementation of MIS in project management is a project management information system. In short, it is known as PMIS. A PMIS is a software program or application that organize and control the flow of project data and information. Hope you are clear. It is a software program. Nowadays we are living in Android mobile phone, in computer age, OS, and different kind of version of Windows are there, Office are there, Office automation systems, SAP, different kind of database management systems are available in the market, and we are using that kind of software and implement that for project management. A manager can use a PMIS to plan, monitor, execute their project deliveries more efficiently without overhammered with data. With the help of project management information system, or we can say management information system, a project manager easily collect, or you can say a project manager can easily retrieve the data according to his need and take the decision making for any kind of project or which is used in project, either in planning or monitoring and controlling. Let us take planning. For planning, if you having a planning for any project and the company having the past experiences, he can collect the previous data, analyze them and find out and implement in future planning. Similarly, he can collect the data from various sources of different companies and also do some research work for the planning. Basically, in short, project management information system is a kind of software, just like Excel or MS Access. In Excel, what we do? It is a basically software for calculations. Any data can use, there are a lot of options there are a lot of function keys, or if function out, there are a lot of functions there, count function, if function, sum function, multiply, divide, anything people are using from a student use Excel for his own academic purpose, like making a chart, making a something. An accountant use that Excel for that accounting purpose, prepare balance sheet for all these things. A researcher use that data for get the analysis of the research work, analysis of the data like regression, like correlation, that autocorrelation, etc., etc. So, the Excel is same, but the uses of that Excel is different. Similarly, project management information system is kind of software which is designed according to the companies, and they can customize according to the company. There are various companies who are involved, those are involved in software development, especially for the projects companies. They design the project company their software according to that specific company and their requirement, and they are so customized that company can make changes accordingly after purchasing a software also. If they required something in future, they can add it on. It is also available, project management software available in market, online, you can pay and download. You can pay and download. Some trial versions are there. You can use a trial version, prepare a Gantt chart, all kind of thing, put the task. So, it reflects all these things. So, project management information system may vary to in scope or complete. They common share features. They share common features such as work management, information collection, task schedulings. There are some common features, some features are added on, some are customized. So, PMIS is basically a software which is designed for the project management companies. Okay. We can use this kind of design for the various kind of for various activities also. How it is work? So, first phase is initial phase is, in the initial phase of the project PMIS, it can be helpful in establishing preliminary project data. First, we put the budgeted data. By using that, we put the budgeted data, include cost, include resources estimation, whatever the cost incurred, from what are the resources we estimated, we put all these things. By using that, we can prepare a bid also, because bid is the requirement. When there is when tenders are launched, company need to file the bids, and with the help of project management information system softwares, they can see the changes by changing in the prices or cost in a particular any item, and they get the minimum bid. They get the minimum bid with maximum profitability. It is actually work same as a Excel, all this thing. We just put the data and they give the results, and we change the data, we can give the different result, and by proper combinations, by proper combinations permutations, we give the best bid. Schedule the project task, assign them to the relevant member team. This is also part of that. There is a task, team member name, there are different fields. So, just give task 1, field member name, and time, duration, place. So, it is can we reflect on the sheet, and that sheet can be visual to the any person who is authorized for that. We can give the authority to see, to view, to edit. Like finance manager can check their only the detail of the finance. Personal manager already see only the detail of the personal documents, personal data. Project manager have a whole right to see each and everything. Organize the project information and generate necessary report. So, it organize the things and prepare reports, which is important for the stakeholders. A proper with proper format, a proper template is there. With that proper template for format, company can send their report to the stakeholder. Nowadays, it is a day of it is a matter of online. So, we can send the report through internet also by email, or we can give access to the some people who can just log on to a particular site and go for the project. If it is on the website, then put the password, see the details. So, as I said, it is a totally customized thing. If you maintain the want to maintain the records in clouds in online, you can do that. If you want to maintain the records in your desktop or laptop, you can save it. If you want to print out, you can do the printout. So, first initial phase is this one. If we talk about review and closure phase, allow a thorough appraisal to ensure that the defined project goal met or exceeded. It gives compare study, competitive study. It compare the things. What was our budget? What was our goal? Are we succeed or we failed? Because we plan the things, we put the budget in the software, then we execute the things, prepare the planning, prepare the costing, putting the costing cost detail in the softwares, prepare the balance sheet, prepare the profit and loss account, and we able to get the proper report. Organize and store all project information in a centralized hub for any access and review. As we know, big companies have some head office, there may be a server room and their projects are going on in different places of the country or world. These data are collected in a server, and the head of the company can access the data and watch and monitor and also control through this software to any part of the world. You can access the reports, access the progress reports of any project which is going on in any part of the world with the help of the project management information system. Archive all project information as a historical use. We can save these data, archive them, store them for future uses, because data are important, and it is also want to secure them, because if any other company get the data, they can make change according to you, and you lost your bid, lost your chance. So, data must be secured, and they are also used for the future help. Help produce the final project report and productivity analysis matrix. Productivity analysis matrix, PAM. This matrix shows the result of productivity of the project manager or subordinate or the functional officer, functional managers, anyone. The particular task is assigned to Mr. X, and this task was need to complete in 3 months, but due to the leniency of the manager, this task completed in 3.5 months or 4 months, then this is output, this is report. Then this is a management decision, what we take, how they treat that manager, but they get the report. Similarly, in positive direction, if the manager finishes its work with quality before time or on time, then we may be a reward for him, there may be a reward for him. But all these things happen when there is a proper management system, proper information management information system. Now, advantages of PMIS. Lots of advantages. First, keep the project on track. So, I said, I discussed most of the time in my every class. Project management, project must be complete on time, it must be on track, it must be on according to the budget, is according to the costing. So, if we have monitoring the things daily basis, now we have a app, we have a mobile phones, and companies prepare the app for the applications app, mobile app for the project management information system. A project manager can see by using that app what is the progress. He can send detail to the managers, supervisors. Managers also see their task, what they performed yesterday and what they want to have to do. कहाँ थे, कहाँ होना चाहिए, कहाँ हैं, अगले हफ्ते ये task finish करना है. They having their own report. So, if they put their login password in their mobile phone, they don't able to carry the laptop always. Of course, in the site, in civil site, there is a difficult to maintain their laptop every time. But now there is a mobile phone. The people having the mobile phone, and they can use the applications which maintain the detail that what their task is and how much time remains to complete the task. So, it maintain the project on task track on track, project maintain on track. It also better collaboration with the team. See, take an example, a person having a big project company, MNC, global company, sitting in Delhi and want to see the project, and team members want to discuss something with the team members in Dubai, in Africa, in South Africa, Australia, anywhere, live. So, he can just nowadays we can use the WhatsApp phone, we can use the Google Meet, we can use the different kind of things, but we also there are some softwares of project management, they having this kind of facility. They collaborate with team managers, they discuss the problems on the spot, they take the decisions. When decisions are taking on spot on time, then it will delay, it will stop delaying the project. If the manager, if the employer, if any kind of circumstances which not able to tackle by the manager, he can make call to the owner and he take the decisions. So, collaboration of the team members is also important, it can be done magnificently by project information system. He can see a manager, a person, a CEO can watch and always monitor the performance of each and every task, like task 1, task 2, task 3 of project A. Okay, task 1, see that task, I am sorry, Okay. Task 1, 2, task 3, project A. There are 3 tasks. There are 3 tasks and supervisor are 3. He can talk with and discuss the supervisor from here. There is a person head of the company, talk to them. Or he is a project manager looking after 2 different projects. He is sitting in a Chennai looking after the project of Bangalore also while sitting in a Chennai. So, you can talk to his managers and team workers while sitting in a Chennai. In the same manner, he maintaining give a competitive advantages. Competitive advantages are always helpful. Competitive advantages are always helpful while in project management decision making. Competitive advantages nowadays a big factor because we need advantages from the market, from the competitor, because we need to survive. While with the proper project management system, we can get the good competitive advantages of the market from the market. We can compete better way with our competitors. High quality decision making is also a part of the project management analysis. I also here said that decision making. A person sitting in a Chennai having responsibility to look after the project in Bangalore or Calcutta, and he have to take the decision. With the help of these softwares, we can take the decision making. At the same time, last point, diversify projects. I said also, manage the diversify project at same time. Characteristics: establishing smart goal and objectives, and selecting indicators for monitoring progress and the element that forms the basic of sound project information system. An important step in developing the system is the creation of an information planning that outline how information be selected, collected, analyzed and shared during the lifetime of the period. प्रोजेक्ट का इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे लिया जाए, कहाँ से लिया जाए, कौन सा लिया जाए और उसको कैसे एनालिसिस किया जाए जिससे पूरे प्रोजेक्ट लाइफ टाइम में. इट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ PIMS, जिससे कि आपका गोल जो है वो पूरा हो पाए. द गोल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एन कंपनी मस्ट बी कंप्लीटेड प्रॉपर टाइम. Some good project PIMS needs to contain the following characteristics. क्या क्या? PIMS supply the necessary information and feedback so that the potential problem are identified and solution are implemented. पहला characteristic प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना, उसको सॉल्यूशन देना. The system should be able to generate timely information. Timely information generate हो जाए जिससे कि करेक्टिव एक्शंस लिए जाए. Point 2, PIMS is a tool to collect, analyze, store and dynamic information useful for the decision making project. Taking a decision making for the project is very important, so therefore, it is one of the characteristics to analyze the things which helpful for the project decision making process. PIMS differ from the management information system financial period because it demand drive approach required for flexible and adapting the changes. नॉर्मली MI से डिफर इसलिए है, नॉर्मली MI से डिफर इसलिए है क्योंकि इट इज कैन चेंज, इट कैन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन, एडेप्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द चेंजेस. During the project, during the process of the project, if company thinks that this must be added in that software, it can be added. It added in that without any hassle, without purchasing a new one. So, it is quite dynamic in nature, adaptability and flexibility of project condition, because each and every project working in different conditions. कोई पहाड़ में डैम बन रहा है तो कोई कैनाल बन रहा है तो कोई घर बन रहा है, डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स डिफरेंट कंडीशन. तो एक सॉफ्टवेयर अगर वो डायनेमिक नहीं है तो हर जगह नहीं चल पाएगा. सो वी हैव टू चेंज द softwares, we have to adapt the software which characteristics of the software which can accept the adaptability of that. A central to characteristic PMIs is to provide an empowerment agenda. It includes transparency, एक सॉफ्टवेयर ट्रांसपेरेंसी द स्टेकहोल्डर को, सारे स्टेकहोल्डर्स with the click of a mouse nowadays or by using their mobile phones can see what is going on in the project, what is the result, what is the process, what is the progress. Accountability, who is accountable for the particular task, it is part of monitoring. If a particular task is completed before time, who is accountable for that? If this particular task is not completed on time, why, who is accountable for that? So, each and everything is available. Inclusion and participation, where project participations are given control over the decision making, include decisions on appropriate criteria, indicator of judge performance of the services. लोग जुड़े, उसका काम करें, टेकिंग द जजमेंट, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड किया जाए. सो वी कैन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिजल्ट ऑफ PMIS. सो ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए, अकाउंटेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, इंक्लूजन एंड पार्टिसिपेशन भी होना चाहिए किसी प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर में या प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम में. So my dear students, viewers, hope you understand the topic about the project management information system. We will continue with that in my next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.